How to use AI Sonic for social media captions. If you have been using the AI Sonic application and wondering on how to use it for the social media captions, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the AI Sonic application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to use it for the social media captions, tap onto this message box right here. Then here you can find please enter the title or keywords of your article. Tap on it and you can simply type create social media caption for a party photo just like this, and tap on to done and tap on to generate. You can also choose the length right here, and simply you can also choose your language and tone just right here just like this, and tap on to generate. And after doing this, you will simply create the social media captions, and that's it. This is how you can use AI Sonic for social media captions. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.